Welcome to Kapla's channel. Please like, share my video. Here I am going to show how to get a soft idli even in the mixie. See how soft and puffy. We can get easily nice idli even in the mixie jar, but we have to follow some steps. First, for this I have taken 1 cup of urad dal in a bowl and add a water. Let them soak for 4 to 5 hours. And I have added 1 spoon of methi seeds. These methi seeds will give us a better consistency and softness. For 1 cup of urad dal, I am going to add 2.5 cups of idli rava. This should be soaked for 2 hours. Most probably 2 to 3 hours is enough. Add water. Make it rest aside. Once everything is kept and clean the soaked urad dal and methi seeds and taken in a mixie jar, we have to take up to the level of the blade or little bit above. Don't overload the mixie jar, and we have to grind them with a cool water. And we should not add more water at a time. Once we paste like this and add little more water and then again grind it. Even now add little more water, check the consistency. If it is required, add some more water and again grind it and take it out as a fine paste. It should be soft, but it should not be watery. Check the consistency, it should be very soft. It takes time, slowly we have to do. Here I have taken 1 cup of urad dal and 1 spoon of methi seeds. For that I have done in 3 times of a mixie jar. After that we have to clean the soaked idli rava and squeeze water from it and add to the urad dal batter. Do it for all the rava. We have to completely squeeze the water because it already absorbed the water. We have to completely squeeze the water and add to the our batter. After completing this, we have to mix them thoroughly. A nice mix. If we do it in the grinder, the air will penetrate into the batter and it gets a soft and easily fermented. As we are doing in the mixie jar, it's not possible. So we have to give a proper mix. We have to mix them thoroughly like this so that the air will enter into our batter and it make it fermented easily and get a softness. In this way we have to mix thoroughly for 10 minutes. After them add the salt, required salt, and mix it again. Doing this is a compulsory, and make it rest aside for 8 to 10 hours for fermentation. For fermentation we have to make sure keep it in a warm place so that we can get a nice fermented. We have to ferment it overnight or see how nicely get. For me it takes around 9 hours to get this better. Once we receive, don't overmix, let the fermented batter like that. Just give a mix and add it to the idli plates. Add them to the idli plates. These are the small idlis for the kids mostly. And now we can go steam cook them for 15 minutes. Our soft idli is ready. When we can see that, we have to wet our hands and check and put a press on that. It should not stick to our hand. Then we can feel like idli is ready. Our soft idli is ready. Mainly in this we are going to mainly four things. Add methi seeds, grind them in the minimum quantity, add the little bit water and grind it, add little water and grind them with using cool water and allow to ferment in a warm temperature for 8 to 10 hours. Follow these steps and enjoy the soft rava idli even in the mixie without a grinder. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.